Moving vlog number 3, let's go. So, where are we at? Hey everyone, welcome back. Not much has happened in the last week or so. I ordered some IKEA furniture, just the basics to get me through the next few weeks. A bed, a mattress, sofa, that kind of thing. Those should arrive in the next few days. I'm really looking forward to sleeping on a proper bed. That is so exciting. But in the meantime, I'm gonna do a few things around here, and I also want to show you that I got a little air fryer. It is so cute. However, it doesn't fit in the little microwave cubby in my kitchen. It is like half a centimeter too tall. And I could take off the little plastic feet at the bottom, but I'm pretty sure that's a safety precaution and they're there for a reason. So I've just put it, you know what, let me show you. Let me move my waffle maker. I got a mini waffle maker from No Brand. It was like 20,000 won. This is my little air fryer. It looks like a mini oven, which it kind of is. It's kind of a toaster oven. It does warming, something, toast, baking, air frying. It even has a rotisserie function. So I cooked some chips in here last night to test it out. It works really well. I think this would be a really nice way to like fry up broccoli and carrots and things. Oh, I love it so much. I've never had an air fryer of my own. I'm so happy. Gutted that it doesn't fit down here, but I will probably put like some drawers or some boxes there because I'm in desperate need of more storage space. I need to actually sort this out, but I just want to show you under the kitchen sink. You can't really tell, but there is next to no storage space because all the pipe work comes to about here and all the way around there. So I've only got this little bit and like a tiny bit at the back. I'm gonna try and find some suitable boxes for in there and sort that out, but for now, that is what it is. I then have these two, which are like cutlery, and then this is the only thing I have for food. By the way, look at these. These are rolling boxes that I got from Daiso. So, just put some nuts in there for now. I haven't figured out exactly how I'm gonna set that up, but it's fine for right now. I have this section. I've ordered some baskets from IKEA because I was thinking, hear me out, laundry, darks and lights, or maybe just one for laundry and one for like plastic bags and things. But then really I only have this cupboard and these drawers for storage, like proper storage. Obviously I've got a little shelf, but that's like for decorative things. So perhaps I can really try and make the most of this space. Tell me in the comments down below what you would do with this little nook. I don't hate the air fryer there though. I think it's okay. It looks kind of cute. An update on my shelf. My bowls are drying, but they normally go here. I got some glasses from Daiso, some more bowls from Daiso, my little mugs. And then I've got a picture of Nan. Going for like a pink theme in here to like have the brown and the pink. I just thought it would look really nice together. It's not gonna stay like this, but this is the start of the kitchen. Got some work to do, but it is coming together. I love my kitchen. It's so cute. I do really miss my pink Smeg fridge though. She's okay. She's still in London. My family are taking care of her. If you haven't seen that video, I found a pink Smeg fridge in a charity shop for £250 and it became my entire personality for at least a year. Anyway, maybe I could get myself a cute little pink Smeg toaster or a kettle or something. They do have them in Korea. Probably not this month because I've had to spend a lot of money on stuff this month. So yeah, I think I will get something like that at some point so we can keep the vibe going. As for now, I am gonna go out and go shopping because I need a couple of necessities like a lamp and I have a few days before the furniture arrives. So let's go out and have a look. Oh, by the way, speaking of shopping, hold on. If you're wondering, because you know I like thrifting, I will absolutely thrift some stuff for this apartment at some point. However, thrifting in Korea is not great. So I don't want to rely on it for like basics and necessities that I really need. Also, I don't have transportation. I don't have a car. So I think I'm going to use thrifting to find like cute and unique pieces once things are a little bit more settled. I will bring you thrifting though, so don't worry. Just not today. Let's go to the shopping centre. love Muji. So I've unpacked my haul from yesterday. Actually, last night I moved the bed to try it in a different position. I thought if I would move the wardrobe into this corner, it would create kind of like a little zone. This was so cozy and it actually kind of felt like a real room last night. However, if I put a room divider here and then the couch here, I think the couch is going to be like 10 or 15 centimeters too long, which is not a huge problem because that's where my bins are currently. But I don't know. I feel like it's going to look a bit odd, and I also can't use the projector from bed because this is, I mean, I could put it up here, maybe. I might try a few layouts before the bed and mattress arrive, but this was actually really cozy and I quite liked it. Actually, let me go upstairs and show you the loft situation because I've decided for the time being not to put my bedroom up in the loft. And let me show you why. Coming up the stairs, la la la. And then we get here, right? And this is a beam. This is the entrance to the loft and the beam is so low down, and I think we know by now I'm a clumsy girl. So it doesn't make sense for me to be climbing up here every day, multiple times a day. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the amount of space between the edge of the railing and this beam. Oh, it's a bit of a tight squeeze. The original plan was to put my bed up here because I do think loft spaces, although slightly impractical, are really cozy, and I like the separation between living, working, cooking, eating and bedroom. But I just don't think I want to be climbing up those terrifying tiny little steps every night, and I've got the space to have my bed downstairs, so I think I'm going to do that for now. But you know I love moving furniture around, so it might change. My bed might come up here at some point, you never know. At the moment I have just put suitcases in the little cubby hole, and behind me I've got some boxes full of Christmas decorations, DIY supplies, that kind of stuff. My plan for up here is to make it into a guest bedroom slash cozy reading nook slash storage space because I don't use it very much and I think it can be all of those things. So when I get my bed, the futon's going to come up here and I'm going to make it really cozy and set it up kind of like a couch, but then fold it out like a bed for when people come and stay. I got a couple of good comments from you guys, particularly about whether I could move the wardrobe up here or not. Sadly, we are definitely overestimating the ceiling space in here. I can literally touch it. The wardrobe is really big and it won't fit in that cubby, which is a shame, but I think I'm going to use the wardrobe as a room divider somehow. We'll get there in the end. Anyway, that's how it's looking up here right now. Nothing new to report. Daiso haul. I went in for kitchen towels and I got my kitchen towels. So I've just put the drawer dividers in the wardrobe in this tech drawer. I've tried to arrange it just for now. I've got things like my projector, Kindle, Switch. This is computer stuff, my Korean keyboard, hard drives and stuff. And then in here, this is all camera equipment and a lot of cables, which I really need to go through. That is looking so much better. I can finally find things in here. This is looking a bit better. It's really hard to organize around all of these pipes, but at the back I put all the plant food and soil because I'm not going to use that every day. Cleaner is here so I can grab it really easily. We have microfiber cloths, and in here is stuff for my Muji mop, scourers, sponges, brushes, squeegees, all the loose objects. That's my dishwashing liquid refill, so I just tuck that there, don't need it right now. This goes with my Muji mop, which is in the closet. So it's done. Let me show you the closet. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to use this, but for now it's got my winter coats and laundry stuff and the mop. This goes with the mop. Maybe I can get some sticky hooks so I can hang those things up. I think that would be so much better so I can use this space again. So it's looking pretty tidy, but I think it will evolve over time.
I'm waiting for IKEA. I'm really hungover. Oh, tequila. Why? This is my setup. But not for long, because I'm gonna have a couch. Oh my god. Why did I do this to myself? Sofa. Mattress. Later. I'm going back to bed.
I need some Coke Zero. Oh, that will help. I had some Coke Zero. I'm feeling better, but like, please don't perceive me today. Thank you. Okay, I have a feeling this is the couch, and that's potentially the headboard for my bed. This is my mattress. What should I start with? Let's do the bed first. Yeah. Oh no! Oh, that's not good. Oh god, that ripped off like half my fingernail. She's a goner. Oh, nice while it lasted. That was all my natural nail as well. God. Anyway. Shit. Oh. That's gonna be bruised. Maybe I should read the instructions. Fine. So you put this like this, and then you, Hello from the not hungover and insufferable version of me. I'm so sorry about that. I ended up putting up the sofa the next day, so I will save you having to watch me fumble around for the next 20 minutes, and I'll put that in the next vlog. But I want to show you my bed. Here she is. This is what's considered a small double in the UK, but in Korea, they call it a super single, just like my love life. Anyway, the headboard is, I don't love it. My plan is to get a piece of wood cut and then cover it in fabric that I brought from home. I think it's gonna look really cute, but that's not really priority right now. So yeah, this is what we got going on. I'm using these Muji drawers as storage for right now, but I'm looking forward to getting a proper bedside table. The lamp is amazing, love the lamp. But yeah, that is the bed. And it's very comfortable. I decided to spring for a slightly bougier IKEA mattress, which is why I downsized the bed, because I've been very lucky over the course of my YouTube career to have been blessed with some gifted mattresses from the likes of like Emma and Casper. And they are brilliant, and I have become a mattress snob, so now I have to have the best one I can find. You spend 8 hours of the day in your bed. It's got to be comfortable. So yeah, that's why I got a slightly smaller bed, but also because I want to save space in my apartment, and if I do want to move upstairs, I can. So you know what, it's not too small. It's okay actually, I'm in the middle of it, there's loads of space. Anyway, that's it for my moving updates for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for all your amazing comments. They've really been putting a huge smile on my face. Like, it feels good to be back. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye!